Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about HTML and its tags. We know HTML is hypertext markup language. It's a scripting language, not a programming language. Markup language is a set of markup tags used to describe web pages. These markup tags is usually called HTML tags. Normally HTML tags come in pairs. These tags are keywords surrounded by angle brackets. The pairs contains start and end tags. The start tag is also called opening tags and the end tag is called closing tags. Next, the HTML elements. The HTML element is everything from the start to the end tag. Here, the syntax is given and described with an example of paragraph and a tag. The element content should start with a start tag and end with an end tag. The element content is everything between the start and end tag. Some HTML elements have empty content and some have a missing end tag. The start tag may have additional information called attributes. Nested HTML tags can also be used. Most HTML documents consist of nested HTML elements. HTML tags, HTML headings, paragraph and links. Headings is used to define only for giving heading, not for making something big or bold. It has H1 to H6. These are the heading tags. Paragraph is used to define a paragraph in a web page, so P is the tag is used. Links are defined with a tag. It contains an attribute called hreference to provide a link address. Text formatting tags. B tag for bold text, big for big text, EM for emphasized text, I for italic text, small for small text, strong tag for strong text, SUB for subscripted text, SUP for superscripted text, INS for inserted text, DEL for deleted text, ES is used instead of del and strike is used instead of del, which is called strike through. U is used instead of styles. These are the formatting tags of text. Next, HTML attributes. It provides additional information about HTML elements. It's always specified in the start tag. The attribute is defined in start tag, so the syntax name is equal to value. Here, PG color, hreference, border are some of examples of attributes. Here, the border attribute in table tag is described with an example. Here, more HTML table tags, we can learn it later. The attribute border is a type of a table element in table tag. Next, hyperlinks, anchors and links. In terms of web, hyperlink is a reference, which means an address to resource on the web. It points many resources like HTML page, image, sound file or movie, etc. An anchor is term used to define a hyperlink destination inside a document. The HTML anchor element is used to define both hyperlinks and anchors. We use the term HTML link when a element points to a resource and the term anchor when the a tag elements defines an address inside a document. Next, table. Table are defined with table tag. TR is defined the rows, which means it divides the table row, and TD, which has data cells, which means it stands for table data. The content of data cell. A data cell can contain text, images, lists, paragraphs, forms, horizontal rules, etc. The example given below shows a simple table formation. Headings in a table. Table headings are defined with th tag. Here, the border is an attribute to define the table border. It has a value 1. If you want to thicken the border, we can increase the value for the border. Here, the heading is the heading given for the table. Another heading we can able to give it as like td, tr is used. The description of table tags. Table to define a table, th to define a table header, tr to define a table row, td to define table cell, caption to define table caption, col group defines the table columns, col defines attributes value for one or more column in a table, thead defines a table head, tbody defines a table body, tfoot defines a table footer. These are the table tags description. Next, the general tags which we use and its description. Inside a definition list, definition which means DD, you can put paragraphs, line breaks, images, links, other lists. OL defines ordered list, UL defines unordered list, LI defines list item, DL defines definition list, DT for definition term, DD defines definition description, DIR used instead of UL, and menu used instead of UL, which means the unordered list. I hope this session will make use about HTML. You may get an idea about HTML. Thank you.